Good morning, everybody. YouTube and DIY mold gang. How's everybody doing? So here's sort of a part two, a little progression here. It's I took most of Sunday off, so I didn't get much accomplished yesterday, but it's Monday morning and here we go. So I'll just show you sort of the progression on what happened here, where I am now from the last vid. So you can see, like, I get my my pieces of glass ready. I've got different sizes that suit for different, because I've got such a mix on the table, from smalls to mediums to a large one here. I used to always go like smalls first, then the mediums and the large, and I don't know, for some reason I thought, I'm just pulling them off the shelf as they come off, so this is a mix. So that's why I've got the different sort of sizes. Like these ones I like for seams, partition walls there, and then larger and smaller over there. So you can see I've got one section on the big one done on this side, ready to roll on this next one. Probably be finished off tomorrow. I don't know if I'll get to this today. I try and take it easy on Mondays, work a half a day. I'll probably knock off these smalls this morning. Like the raven skull is done, so just getting some glass down inside of here. You can see that I've trimmed it. What happens is, here I'll show you, is when this one was first done, you get these little sharp hairy pieces sticking up, and what happens is when you go to do interiors like this, I find it's really a nuisance later to try and get your putty knife in there to run across the edges. You get mixed up into all this gunk, and it just causes a problem. So I give it a quick zip around the top, so I've got a clean top for being able to separate that off later. So, and it gives you a good idea of what the size of your finish is going to be on it too. So but these are easy, quick to pump out, these little guys here. Won't take long at all. Here's this other guy. He's got one section done, another section to go. Sort of can see from a bird's eye view there what it looks like. So I can probably that'll be done by tomorrow too. Most of these are going to come off the table tomorrow. Another little small, you can see, just filling in this cavity. So remember, again, two coats of wax, 2 coats of PVA I put on before we go. You'll get that in these ones. It's hard not to get it to pool. If I was here, like, I think I put a coat on and I left yesterday, so it drips down the center. You want to try to avoid pooling, especially don't do any glass work. If there's a wet pool in the bottom, your resin just won't set and you'll get a gummy sort of finish on your glass. So make sure that that's dry. A little fan will help you out too. So again, it's the same one as one on the other side there. That pair is all finished, done, ready to go off the table. And this funny guy here, ready to roll. And I think I've told you before, like, I lay down this tin foil here. Lasts me quite a while, like better part of a week I can get out of just throwing this foil down here. I like to pre-wet my glass. Like, I'll do a whole bunch, lay it up on here, and then you can really rip. You can really get going on your model there fast. Just when you're finished, I like to, you see here's a little bump, but I try and knock that down before I finish for the day, because it gets a little awkward when you're doing pieces. But then it's easy, then I just pull the tape off and rip off the whole piece of tin foil, fold it up, throw it in the garbage, put down another one. You got a nice clean work surface. So, and it doesn't cost you a lot of money. So there, that's this week's. I'll give you when the next models hit the table in a couple days, I'll do another video up. Okay, everybody, hang in there. Have a great day. See you later.